Hello guys, welcome to all. Today talking about Maple and North reviews. Today in this video we'll get to know about the legitimacy of the website. Friends, this is not our website. In case if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this unbiased review video till then. We will share your money back. Friends, I request you like the video, share the video and subscribe to my channel. Let's talking about website legitimacy checkpoint is Maple and North.ca scam or legit. This website trust score is 53 out of 100. The trust score of Maple and North.ca is rather low. Why? The trust score rating of the website is rather low. Maple and North.ca may be a scam. We determine the trust score using a computer algorithm. The algorithm looks at 40 plus data points on which basics aids creators as a score. Sources are third party reviews, the location of the company, a hosting party used by the website, if the website has been reported to sell fake product, etc. As the review of the website is somewhat low, please do take time to check the website yourself. This website positive highlight, we found a valid SSL certificate. This website negative highlight, the identity of the owner of the website is hidden on Whois. The Alexa rank, how much traffic is rather low. The age of this site is very young. The identity of the website owner has been hidden. This may be done for a valid reason, as spammers use this information to email website owners. Unfortunately, is also makes identification of the owner difficult. We prefer if the website does show his true identity. The Alexa ranking of this website is low. This can be considered low in relation to other websites from the website country. If you think this website should be very popular, please invest additional time in researching the company as this is suspicious. For a smaller starting website, low Alexa ranking can be considered normal. This website was set up recently. As a result, we advise you to really take the time to check this site out before you interact with it. Scam sites are often very young. They are removed from the web after a couple of months, as too many consumers leave negative reviews and social media comments. Till that time, they'll try to scam you. We identified an SSL certificate, meaning that the data shared between your browser and the website is encrypted and cannot be read by others. SSL certificates are always used by legit and safe websites. Unfortunately, scammers increasingly also use SSL certificates, so it is no guarantee that you are visiting a reliable website. Hello guys, welcome to all. Today talking about Indeed skill reviews. Today in this video we'll get to know about the legitimacy of the website. Friends, this is not our website. In case if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this unbiased review video till that. We will share your money back. Friends, I request you to like the video, share the video and subscribe to my channel. Let's talking about website legitimacy checkpoint is Indeed.com scam or a legit. This website trust score is 5 out of 100. Indeed.com has a very low trust score. Why? We scan Indeed.com for several indicators and we think the website may be a scam. Exercise extreme caution when using this website. Our algorithm reviews each website for 40 different elements like who owns the website, are the contact details hidden, where is the website hosted, what is the technology being used and much more. Based on all the information gathered, we created a trust score. Indeed.com has a very low trust score according to our algorithm. However, computers may be wrong. The website has a strong indicator of being a scam but might be safe to use. Guys, this website positive highlights. This website offers payment methods which allow you to get your money back. This site seems to sell products online. How to check if it is a shop scam? According to the SSL certificates is valid. This website negative highlights. The owner of the website's owners is hiding his identity on who is using a paid services. This website does not have many visitors. Server spammers and scammers use the spam register. We see matching characteristics with scam sites. This website has only been registered recently. In our analysis, we check the Alexa ranking. In this case, it was low. Low Alexa ranking means that the website has relatively few visitors. For a new website, this is logical. The same is true for highly specialized website. However, if the website claims to be a large corporate or popular site, then warning flags should be raised. We always check which other websites are registered by the same company the website is using. In this case, we discovered that the registrar is facilitating a high number of websites that have low to very low review score. This may be a coincidence, but it may also be caused by lags. Know your customer process at the Domain Registration Bureau. The trust score of the website has been reduced.